Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix audio out of sync issue on Instagram Reels. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. Go ahead and open Instagram application on your mobile. If you tap on the plus icon that appears on the bottom of your navigation bar, you'll be able to post a reel. If you go to the Reels section and select a video that you'd like to add your reels to, you'll now enter this editor version, which enables you to fix out of sync audios. To tap audio, you simply tap on the tap to add audio section. You'll be able to select music that is available on Instagram. Go ahead and select it. You can choose the part that you want for your reel by simply dragging it around. After that, tap on done. If it's still not on sync, then you can simply tap on the editor and tap on adjust. You can scroll the music notes to where it fits the best to your video. After that, tap on done to save the changes. Once you've done that, you can simply tap on the arrow icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you can tap on share and this reel will be shared to your feed as easy as that with a synced audio as well. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.